What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use e-signature, whether it's Docusign or Write Signature or Panda Docs, any e-signature platform out there. I'm going to be showing you how to use electronic signature to get properties under contract when you're wholesaling real estate. With that being said, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. But let's get right into the video. So first off, I am going to be showing you what contracts you need to be using when you are getting properties under contract for wholesale and real estate. Guys, I'm going to be giving you my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script for 100% free. So go to jacobblank.com/free and download my contracts. There will be a link down below for that as well. So when it comes to the purchase contract, to fill it out, all you're going to do is make sure you input this specific information. So this agreement is made today, so you're going to put today's date between seller name and your company. Put your company or your name right here. For the property address, put the address of the property you're buying right there. Then for the purchase price that you're buying the property, put the price right there. The earnest money that you're going to put down right there. And then down at the bottom, there's a couple other things you got to fill out. You got to put the close of escrow. And then if there's any additional unique terms to this contract, input them there. And then the title company filled that out as well. Once you have the contract filled out, you can go ahead and download it as a PDF. And then you can go over and head over to your e-signature platform. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there's a bunch of different e-signature platforms out there. Docusign isn't the only one. There's Jotform, Box.com, Honeybook, Panda Docs. My favorite, though, is Write Signature. Docusign is a little bit more expensive than Write Signature, so that's why I don't use it anymore. They charge you $5 per document after you reach a certain amount. So I like to use Write Signature. Write Signature charges $80 a month for unlimited contract sends, but they also have a smaller plan than that that's more affordable. But how it works is once you're in here, you have your dashboard where you're able to see all the contracts that you've sent out. And then what you can do is click Start Document, and you can click Send for Signature. Click Choose from Computer, and you're going to be able to choose that contract that you just filled out. It's going to load in right here. Once it loads in, go ahead and click Prepare Document. Then you're going to go ahead and put the signers in. So you're going to put yourself and the seller, the homeowner of the property, in. All right, now that I have that filled out, if there's more than one seller, you can obviously add another signer, but we are going to move on to next place fields. And now it's going to open up the e-signature platform where you're actually going to be placing the fields where the people are going to be signing. So we're going to scroll down to the signature area, and we're going to go ahead and drag over. We're going to click on signature field, and we're going to drag over a signature field for the buyer. And then we're going to also place one for the seller. If there's more than one seller, we would place another one. Then we're going to go ahead and get the date field and go ahead and plug that in for the date. And now what we're going to do is we are going to make sure that it's set up for the right people. So as you can see, this is the buyer line, but it's sending the signature for seller. We want it to be buyer. So we're going to switch that to buyer. And then we're going to go down here and make sure this one says seller and seller. And it does. So now we're just going to review our contract, make sure everything looks good, and then we can go ahead, click Next Review, and then click Send Document. And it's going to go ahead and send the email out for the buyer and the seller to sign, for you to sign and for the seller to sign. And that is how to use e-signature. The same process works for the assignment contract when you're selling the deal to the cash buyer that's buying your deal. You're going to fill out this assignment contract with your name, the address, the buyer name, the price they're buying it for, their earnest money, all of that, and then you're going to download it and input the signature spots just like you did on the other one in e-signature as well. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's how to use Docusign and how to use any electronic signature platform when it comes to wholesaling real estate. Now, why is it important to use e-signature? Guys, you can get so many more deals under contract if you're sending out offers over the computer for signature. If you're mailing paper contracts or driving out to the properties to sign them in person, you're wasting so much time and you're not being efficient. With electronic signature, I'm able to send contracts at the click of a button, like literally as many as I want every day. So if I talk to 100 sellers and I make 10 of them an offer that they actually are interested in, I can send 10 contracts out requesting 10 signatures that day, and who knows, maybe I'll lock up 5 deals. So the more offers you can send and the more signatures you're requesting, the more deals you're going to get. So you have to use e-signature. You don't want to be sending PDFs to their email where they got to print it out and write on it and all that. You want to make it simple, streamlined, and professional for the seller to be able to sign your documents. So I highly recommend that you guys use e-signature. Again, there's a bunch of different platforms out there, right? Docusign, PandaDocs, Write Signature. I personally like Write Signature because it's based on Podio as well, and that's the CRM that we use. So the CRM that we use is WholesaleCRM.com, and Write Signature integrates directly with this system. So the main system of our whole business integrates directly with Write Signature, which we use for e-signature. And this system also lets us generate the contracts at the click of a button and then click send automatically from the CRM. So that way we don't have to go into Google Docs or Word and fill out the contract. Our CRM system fills the contract out for us and then at the click of a button sends it to the seller to sign. So we're able to send way more offers and lock up more deals. If you guys want to check out our wholesaling system that we use for my whole company, it's available at WholesaleCRM.com. There will be a link down below in the description for this, and you'll be able to get a full demo of the platform and see exactly how that e-signature system works directly in there. That's been a game changer as well. So combining our CRM, WholesaleCRM.com, and integrating Write Signature with it has been a complete game changer to be able to send contracts and generate them at the click of a button without having to fill them out. We've been able to lock up way more deals using this strategy. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. It's literally dark outside. It's dark. Somebody was calling in, but it's dark outside. So this is going to be the last video I filmed today. I actually filmed 20 videos for you guys today showing you exactly how to wholesale real estate, going over different parts of the business. So there's going to be tons of content put out on the channel to give you guys as much value as possible. And I hope that's helpful to you guys. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and grow the channel, which really, is amazing because I'm able to impact more lives and teach more people how to make money in real estate. So I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe, supporting the channel. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. And other than that, I'm going to keep putting out these videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.